Hello, my friends. Elena from Intense Memory. Like to continue with that baby, Welcome Baby album, and I doing now page 4. So for this page, first, what I really want, I need cover this corner with ribbon. So I like to put tape, double tape here, and here is missing, so I put tiny, maybe for all, also glue. And now, which will be nicer, maybe like that. Again, I have to make straight that. Okay. Fine. Now just cut the edge. Okay. This page will be about barking baby. Accordion on the page third was like that, so now I accordion put like that because I want to have also photos this way, and very similar like on page 3 I make deep pocket, so I already put tape on back where I want to put this. Okay, it's easier if I put glue also, and then I can move my paper. So I want this. Okay, now we check if it's okay, not. So how I tell, we can little bit move. Okay, okay. Okay, now I take off this and put glue on both sides of that pocket. And also on especially edge of that double tape, because when we put inside some paper can be glued and we don't want. Okay, now okay, now we have pocket, and again very similar, we have to make some stopper. And now I thinking maybe if I make half of this, it can be enough. Also, I want to round edges of that strip. Then I have to a little bit distress them. And what I will do now, will cut holes here and fold them like this. Okay, so I make mark where I want to cut. A hole because I put that strip into the holes. One side, the other side. Okay, now I erase that marks. And now I take scoreboard and I make mark. So I will score 2 lines to make place a little bit for photos. Something like that. That is one. And other one have mark also here. So same. Fine. I don't need any more scoreboard. And I don't want also this big edges of that. And I want this bubble. So on here. Okay, one. Because baby is bathing, so I want that bubbles to see. And now I put that here. Also the other hole. Okay, I help myself with that pin, and now I turn on back and glue them. Shoops. And shoops. When I have them turn the back side, maybe I put also now the tapes. Okay, something glue on. Okay, everybody stick. Everything, not everybody. Okie dokie. Okay, now I need to make this holder for that strips, and again I mark where I have to put glue. And put glue on. And glue them together. And I see it's not distress, and I need to be the stress. Okay, now I check it works. Yes, okay. Take off this pin. And so now we have stopper, but from other paper I cut this baby and I put this baby here. Okay. Okie dokie. So the page is done. I thinking just like that. Maybe later I put some flowers or something. I don't know. I will see. Okay, so now it's done. No, I will need that. So take off all cover of tape. Glue. Don't want to go. Okay, so take this. I have to fix that bigger. Okay, that is bored. But we have to do it. Okay, dokie. Ahead. Okay, it's done. And now we put this page here. Not too much glue, and then you can't move, but it's okay. So just push, push, push. Here, take off a little bit. I don't want it to be shiny. So we open here, and we can put something, and we can write something there. Okay. Oh. 1, 2, 3, and now, okay. Okay, dokie. So the page is done. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next page. Bye bye, guys.